I got a merry-go-round in my head and it won't stop spinning at the end of the day. Yeah, monsters under my bed, but they're cool, so I wonder, scare them away. I got a scary gang of crows on the porch, so I won't go swinging with the girls and the boys. Better stay home, chain locks for the doors, down with a few drinks, kill a little white noise. I know when I wanna go, when the sun sets slowly.